Positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life, while negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. It is based on the belief that thoughts are a form of energy. Wherever your mind goes, your energy flows. Wherever your energy flows, that grows. During mind programming, we need to take precautions on which things we are giving our energy. Whatever you want, we should think about it very deeply. Thinking only superficially won't help to gain those things you want. If I want to go from Nasik to Nagpur, for that I will need a vehicle. Now this vehicle is our thoughts. If we don't fuel this vehicle, will it work? No. So the fuel for this is our feelings and emotions. Now I need to drive the vehicle. I am the driver of the vehicle to give it direction towards our expected destination. If we want to give power to our thoughts, we need to put our feelings and emotions into it. To manifest something new, be clear about what you want. Create a plan and stick to it. Address limiting beliefs. Trust the process. Hold an image of what you seek in your mind. Create the image as detailed as possible, like a blueprint. Raise your vibration. Express gratitude to the universe for having granted that to you. Once you know what you want, it is time to manifest. Think about what you want exactly as if it was going to happen. Meditate about it. Create a vision board. Pour all your energy and concentration into seeing it with your mind's eye. And let all the good feelings about the object or outcome well up inside you. This works best if you do a multisensory visualization. Make it as real as you possibly can. So it's almost like it's yours already. Add as many details as you can and don't try to imagine exactly how the thing or outcome becomes yours. Instead, focus solely on the end result of receiving what you desire. Don't think about how your desired object or outcome will manifest. Don't try to see it coming to you through any person or means. Your focus should be the end result of receiving the thing of your desire.